What if I told you the world's biggest electric vehicle maker, the company millions believed was building a cleaner, greener
Chinese automaker BYD has unveiled a groundbreaking 5-minute charge
future, is now accused of practices so dark they threaten to destroy the EV movement itself? We're talking about forced labor, fraud, and a betrayal of trust so deep it's shaking the entire industry.
We're at one of BYD's more than 5,000 mainland Chinese stores. But now the Tesla rival wants to press home its advantage with new advanced technologies.
Like this super-fast megawatt charger.
Known mainly for its low and mid-price cars, like this one is about $10,000.
Technology forever. 20 years ago, BYD was celebrated as a pioneer. A company born in China, racing to create electric vehicles that could challenge Tesla and inspire the world. Their slogan? A cleaner, greener future. And for millions of people who believed in technology as the solution to climate change, BYD represented hope. But recent reports have surfaced, and they paint a horrifying picture. Behind the glossy ads and eco-friendly image lies a reality of abusive labor practices and fraudulent financial schemes that make us question everything we thought we knew about green innovation. Brazilian authorities recently exposed something shocking at BYD's operations. Conditions that labor prosecutors described as slavery-like. 163 Chinese workers found trapped in forced labor conditions. Passports confiscated. Cramped, unsanitary housing. Long, exhausting work hours that crushed their health and dignity. Promises of good pay and opportunity broken upon arrival. This wasn't speculation. These were verified investigations by Brazil's Labor Prosecutor's Office. And the testimonies from workers themselves tell a disturbing story of deception, coercion, and inhuman treatment, all in the name of building electric cars. Just as this scandal broke, another emerged. This time, in China, BYD's home turf. Regulators accused the company of fraudulently claiming millions in government EV subsidies. Why is this so serious? Because these subsidies exist to reward genuine innovation, research, development, and production that advances clean technology. Instead, BYD allegedly inflated production numbers and exploited loopholes to collect funds they didn't truly earn, money that should have gone toward real progress. This isn't just fraud. It's betrayal of taxpayers, investors, and everyone who believed in the company's green promise. The global EV industry is a battlefield. Tesla, BYD, and dozens of rivals are in an arms race, slashing prices, pushing new models, and competing fiercely for market dominance. Margins are razor thin. And when companies face intense pressure, some cut corners. Others cross ethical lines entirely. BYD's scandals suggest a troubling possibility that in the race to dominate, values like human rights and integrity were left behind. But what does this say about the industry as a whole? Are we really building a better future, or just greenwashing the same old corporate greed with shiny electric cars? The consequences are already hitting hard. Consumers who proudly drove BYD cars now feel betrayed. Investors are spooked. Once seen as a safe bet, BYD's stock faces volatility. Governments are rethinking subsidies, worried they've been misused. This scandal isn't just BYD's crisis, it's a wake-up call for the entire electric vehicle industry. Because when one major player gets caught, it gives ammunition to critics who claim the green revolution is a sham. So, what does this mean for us, the consumers, investors, and citizens who want a cleaner future? It means we can't just trust glossy ads or big promises. We need transparency, accountability, ethics, Companies must prove their supply chains are humane. Regulators must close loopholes and punish fraud. And we, the people, must demand more than electric cars. We must demand clean business practices too. Because a car isn't truly clean if the hands that built it were exploited. And a future isn't sustainable if it's built on lies. If you care about the planet and the people who live on it, share this story. Demand change. Because the fight for a greener world isn't just about what we drive. It's about who we become.